Hi guys, so on today's session of the Better Mod Flipping Challenge upcycling videos, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree from Better Mod plastic waste. Now this is a Christmas tree from waste bottles. It's decorated, it has lights, and it's fun when it blows up in the night. So I'm going to show you what you need and how you can make the tree. So first of all, you need to have an iron rod frame done. So you can see there's an iron rod frame. As you can see, there's an iron rod frame and they are round. So we have bottom 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 rounds. Now this is like a 10 feet tall tree. Now the rounds are made with an interval based on the size of the bottle you are going to use. So if you're going to use Better Mod bottles, you have to make the rounds for the tree from the Better Mod bottle. So you have to measure the length of the Better Mod bottle, make sure there's some allowance at the top and at the bottom, and use that to do the round so that you can get your beautiful tree. Now let me show you how to weave the tree. So what you require to weave the tree is Better Mod bottle and then ropes. Now this is what you do. You have to make holes in the bottle like this. There you go. There. And then like this at the bottom. So as you can see, I've made my holes. Now to put the rope through the bottles, the rope has to go through the bottom of the bottle, not the top. So you push the rope through the bottom like this. Then you open the bottle, then you put your finger in there, remove the rope, then you put it through the top, and then you close the bottle. So there you have your bottle and your rope. Now to weave around the tree, you would have to, so let's say this is the iron rod in the tree. To weave around the tree, first you have to, after you make the holes, you have to cut the ropes to the size of the tree and leave an allowance of about this at both ends of the rope. So you start weaving from the bottom. You use the rope, you tie it around the bottom of the iron rod. You tie like 4 knots. So 1 2 3 and 4. So you have your first knot. So when you tie it, you put it, you tie it, then you put it at the bottom of the bottle, and then you tie it on the next rim, and then you put in your next bottle, you tie on your next rim, put in your next bottle, tie it on the next rim, all the way until you get to the top of the tree. When you are done, you buy the lights. There are some of the lights that the lights that use battery. You buy the lights, you buy the decor, and then you put them inside. You can even use the spray cans container tops as decor material. This is also waste. You can use it for the tree. And the trees can be moved around. You can put it anywhere in your school, at your church, in public places. And this is an activity that you do with people. The smaller trees like this has over 400 bottles in them. We have giant trees as high as 20 feet tall that has over 2,000 bottles in them. You can do this as a community, you can do this as a school, and you can light it up in your community during Christmas for everybody to be happy. So this is it for today's upcycling video as part of the Better Mod Flipping Challenge. And the session is on how to make a bottle Christmas tree from Better Mod bottles. So you get your iron rod frame done. The rims or the rounds have intervals that have the Better Mod sizes so that they can fit into them. You use soldering iron to perforate holes in the bottles. You use the ropes to weave the bottles around the tree by passing the ropes through the bottom of the bottle and removing it through the top, and then weaving it around the whole tree. When you are done, you put your light, you put your decor, and then the trees are ready to install. So I wish you all the best, and see you next time on the Flip It Challenge end on the better side of life. Bye bye.